Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on Windows and navigate to System, then About for quick access. Click Rename this PC to change the computer name that appears over Bluetooth. Type the new name and follow prompts to restart the computer so the name updates. For individual paired devices, open Control Panel or Settings and choose Bluetooth devices. Select the device, choose Rename, and type a friendly name for easier identification. Confirm and reconnect any affected devices after renaming to ensure visibility and pairing stability. Open System Settings on macOS and select General, then About to find the computer name quickly. Click the Name field to edit and type the new Bluetooth identifier you want others to see. Close Settings, and the change applies immediately for most devices without restarting the Mac. To rename specific paired peripherals, open the Bluetooth menu and select the device to remove and repair with a new name if needed. Always confirm the new name shows on your other devices before relying on it for connections. If the new name does not appear, immediately restart Bluetooth or reboot the computer first. Update Bluetooth drivers and the operating system to the latest version to resolve persistent naming issues. Clear cached device entries by removing and repairing devices when changes fail to propagate. Use unique, short names and avoid special characters that some devices cannot display correctly. Check visibility settings so your device is discoverable while renaming and repairing any peripherals to confirm the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.